Arizona doesn't regulate your school. It regulates the family's account and pays you through ClassWallet. In the sidebar, under Administration, click Reports. The Empowerment Scholarship account has an approved school fee list: tuition, application, enrollment, registration, textbooks, supplies, transport, tutoring, uniforms. Anything outside it, meals, activities, aftercare, lands in the review column because a reviewer rejects an over-asking invoice whole instead of trimming the bad line. Click Compliance Checklist. Notice what isn't here: no filing deadlines and no withdrawal clock. That's deliberate. Arizona asks a private school for no accreditation, no testing, no filings. If you're holding money you shouldn't, you send the department a paper check, a task to finish, not a countdown. Two rules run the money. Bill quarterly. A family's wallet only ever holds about a quarter of the year's award. And bill exactly. If the parents pay vendor amount and your invoice disagree, the order is rejected outright. So print the ESA invoice, not the family invoice. ESA accounts are per child, and this one carries the fields the handbook asks for: student, grade, itemized services with their dates of service, and one exact total. ClassWallet keeps 2% of the whole payment. Payment processing is an approved Arizona school fee, so bill it as its own line. Pearspark does the arithmetic here. Arizona schools get a ClassWallet tab. It opens on the expensive mistake: a family cannot hold an ESA and a tax credit scholarship in the same year, and signing the ESA contract claws back every SDO dollar you were paid, retroactively. Under it, the invoices nobody has paid. The vendor portal shows you approved payments only. A rejected order is invisible to you, and nobody tells the family either. 2 weeks of silence is a phone call, not a slow reviewer. For what did arrive, export the vendor payment report and drop it here. Column names move between exports, so Pearspark reads what it recognizes and tells you what it ignored. Returns come first, money that's settled and then left again. Don't record those, and reverse any you already did. Rows already recorded are recognized by their transaction ID, so re-uploading a wider export can't double count a payment. Exact invoices, quarterly billing, one honest ledger. Try it free at Pearspark.com.